We're at the old Marshall Fields, and these are the express elevators. These elevators were originally Westinghouse, modernized by Otis, and then modernized again, I think, by Mid-American. And while we're waiting, let's take a look at this atrium. Look at that. Very cool. Takes a second to open. Are you trying to find a floor that's
Furniture.
not one or so? Oh, you have to get on different elevators.
Oh, which one?
Oh, I'm gonna be honest, this store is so confusing. I don't remember where they are.
Okay.
On
Yeah,
here?
these ones only go to 1 and 7.
Ah,
Yeah,
thank you.
no worries. This store is very confusing. But there's the COP. And let's go down to the lower level. And there's the original Marshall Fields plaque on the floor.
Lower level.
And as you can see, right there is the dead giveaway that these were originally Westinghouse. And then, not to mention, these all had arrow decals that would light up and down ones that went all across the side here. All the original Westinghouse cars. So you can tell because they have this plate on the side that's covering them up. And obviously Otis modded them to probably Autotronic. And then while we're waiting, here is a Westinghouse escalator. Guess we don't have time to see it because the elevator's already back. It has the electronic chime on this floor, not an actual bell. All right, let's go to 7. And custom buttons here. There's a 7 out of state, and the beloved shoe button. And the little thing on the shoe is actually the Marshall Fields clock.
Seventh floor.
Anyway, watch it close up. And then of course also Marshall Fields plaques on the door as well.